Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be turning old chairs into garden chairs. We had 4 working chairs from our old dining table and we're going to start by sanding them down. I know that in Home Depot they sell different types of sanding paper with different types of grit, like smooth, finish, and medium. You want to smooth down your chairs to a point where you know you can pass your hand over them and not get any splinters. For our first chair, we chose a very off-white, almost white actually, color, and once your chair is sanded down, we're going to start using our spray paint. We bought ours at Hobby Lobby, and it's a paint plus primer spray, very cheap, especially because Hobby Lobby almost always has discounts on paints. A couple of tips on spray painting, and again, we're not professional painters, we do this on our own time, a little hobby my mom and I have, but when spray painting, make sure you're not too close to your object, because if you are, it's just going to be blotches on your object. The paint is just going to come out too close to it, you know? I know you want the color to be bright and full, but with spray bottles, you just have to spray at a distance and it will catch on. So this is our first chair done. For our second chair, we went with a very light mint color. We bought all of our paints at Hobby Lobby. Again, this is what the bottle looks like. And you just spray your object, try to do it in a one notion pattern, like up and down or side to side, because if you try to do it all mix and match, it's hard to maintain. And I know it's hard to maintain a pattern, but when you don't, you will be able to see it on your object, especially with light colors. And this is our second chair done. For chair number 3, we went with a brown/beige color. On the bottle it says Pebble. This color is a very nice touch, especially because the outside of our house is that color and it matches with our walls. Luckily, when we painted our chairs, there was not a lot of wind outside. If there is a lot of wind, it's going to affect it because it makes the paint on your object get paint bubbles and it makes it look blotchy. This is our third chair done. For our fourth chair, we had already painted it before filming, but we went with black and it just makes a beautiful decoration/accent inside our house. With these garden chairs, you get to turn them into anything you want, any color you like. It doesn't have to match your house, it can match your flower colors. You know, it's just about turning something you thought was trash into treasure. Things always have a second use, and this is a perfect use to make out of these old chairs. We'll be featuring our black chair that we've turned into an accent inside our house in our Christmas video that's going to be out in a couple of days. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as me and my mom enjoyed filming. I hope you give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel as we are going to try to be more active. It's really hard right now during this pandemic, but I hope everyone's staying safe, and thanks for watching.